calls for action propose a sort of magical portal where people here in Basel can actually connect to cloud forest in Ecuador. They can do so while looking at a big screen where the rainforest is being displayed. It's a live stream, so you have this kind of like window into this foreign ecosystem. But at the same time, it's not like only a passive observation. You have a phone booth on the Marktplatz, and via this phone booth you actually can pick up the phone and call the forest. You will obviously listen to the forest, but the beauty of this project is that you can actually also speak to the forest. You have a small horn speaker placed directly there, and you can tell what you have in your mind to the forest.
Hello? Is someone there? Julian? Ça va?
Hello?
The horn speaker is at a level which mimic like the song of the bird. That was kind of important for me because I don't want to disturb. At the same time, the disturbance aspect is also important because we are disturbing. We are disturbing because we are out here living in the way we act in our, in our side of the world is actually already disturbing the rainforest or the cloud forest. And so actually to make that tangible, or like to raise awareness about the fact that we are there and that we need to kind of rethink our handling, recalibrate the way we are in the world. I think that's also what the projects tend to do. Then the screen, obviously, is just a way to create a window, to create something which almost looks like a painting. It's like it's a picture, but it's a picture in movement. You know, when you're going to be on the Marktplatz, a lot of moments you have this feeling that actually the image is frozen. But the image is not frozen, it's just that sometimes nothing happens. And that's the beauty about it. It's not always that you have wind and birds and bats. Sometimes you have them, but sometimes it's just absolutely still, and you will wait 10 minutes and maybe a drop of water will just fall through the screen. And it's all about this kind of slowness, observation, and also about multiple encounters. So I really hope that the Basel will engage and sit on all the coffee on the other side and sip the coffee in the morning while looking at the forest and kind of creating this weird emotional bond to a place which is extremely foreign and somehow alien to Basel and the rule of the city. Ich kann mal das ein bisschen bewegen lassen, wenn du es möchtest. I came up with the idea of like a phone booth, because then you are there too. It's not only the forest in Basel, it's you in the forest. And I think that that's where actually the work starts to be interesting and urgent somehow. Once you speak into the forest, it motivates you to speak out for the forest. And as a public, you can be participating, and you can also make your own donation and do actually something for this conservation effort. There's a fundraising effort, and through this fundraising effort, a donation will go to the Fondation Beyeler, which are basically a foundation based in Ecuador, and they support this conservation directly.